Are you looking for outstanding and unique looking animated backgrounds to further enhance the experience of your website? Hi, I'm Tanvir Khan from Essential Web Apps. In today's video, we will be showcasing 10 best animated backgrounds for your website in all random order. These animations are all responsive and are compatible with all the major browsers available on the internet right now. So let's jump to it. Before I start, I want you to know here you will find basic to advanced tutorials on WordPress website and social media strategies, web development, and UI UX. Please consider subscribing to this channel if this is something you're into. Okay, enough talk, let's start. This one is a CSS animated loop background. It is made by Bjorn. Here, if we click on Demo and Code, it will take us to the link of the animation. The technology used here is HTML and CSS source. We can just hover the cursor over it. This can be a great animation for your website where people will stay for a longer period of time. So the animation will be playing in a loop always and keep them engaged. Let's check out the next one. This is an HTML5 canvas. Space background by Senna Kodrashova. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. This is a very mesmerizing animation. It is basically an animation depicting the sense of traveling through space. You can use this animation background on any kind of cyberpunk related website. For example, a video game about space or some kind of sci-fi related website. Technology used on this one is HTML, CSS, and JS. You can also adjust the speed as you like. Here's another pure CSS animated background, which to me looks very minimalistic and sleek looking. You can use this animation for any kind of corporate website or educational website. In any case, this animation can make all kinds of websites look more elegant and unique. This CSS animated background is made by Abdul Mohaimin, and the tech used on this one is HTML CSS. Let's jump on to the next one. This one is a simple but very effective SVG animated background for your website. It is a pure CSS animated background gradient. This animation would look best if used for something related to pop culture or any trendy topic. The animation itself gives a party vibe. The author is Kadir Simenyamez, and the tech used here is HTML CSS. Let's see what we got next. This next animation has a great color combination. The animation looks like multiple boxes flying in the air. You can use this animation anywhere you like. If you deal with something related to boxes, or you deal with preparing or wrapping gifts, or making gift boxes, or something like that, you can use this in your website background. Technology used is HTML, CSS, JS, and the author is Steven Mixtravik. This next animation is made by Asfar Mohammed using HTML, CSS. This animation can be used in something related to art and creative work. It is a loop animation, so you can use this on your website background and let it play always. Here's our next hover animation. This is another animation based on space, like the last one we saw, but this one is kind of different. Instead of depicting the sense of traveling through space, this one just makes it look like the stars are running upwards in a loop. This Parallax star background in CSS made by Saransh Sinha using HTML, CSS. Almost at the end, we got another animation. This is probably the most minimalistic animation in the list, and I love the simplistic view of it. It does not distract the eyes with too many fancy colors or elements. Sometimes the most minimalistic things turn out to be the most effective ones. I can see this animation reused anywhere and still shine and enhance your website's experience. It is made using HTML CSS by the author Osorina Irina. The next animation we have is made by Amanda Kifaldi using HTML CSS. This is also a looping animated background for your website. The best use case scenario for this animation is something related to textile, or you make tailored clothes and you have a website. So you can use this animation there. It helps the audience understand more on what you do. This last animation is another one which is related to space. It depicts stars falling from the sky. This is something very fascinating. This animation is made by Yusuke Nakaya using HTML and CSS. So that was 10 latest collections of handpicked free HTML and CSS animated backgrounds, examples with codes. I have put the link in the description. Hope you guys got something you were looking for. We at Essential Web Apps are always researching and making blogs, videos for you guys all the time. So please do check out our website and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more effects for your websites. We also put regular tutorial videos on WordPress, Elementor, web design and development, website and social media strategies, etc. So why not push the bell icon so you don't miss any of these? Also, in the video's description, we put the link for our awesome WordPress themes for your next project. Don't forget to check those out. So that's a wrap for today. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.